Okay, this is a Gateway MT6460, and I'm going to do a BIOS reset and restore the BIOS to factory fresh the way it came out of the factory. You might have had a lot of somebody might have messed around in there and changed a lot of settings, and however long you had it, maybe you picked it up at a garage sale, however long you had the computer, you might want to just restore back to factory fresh. Okay, we're gonna hit the power button. As soon as you hit power, we're going to jump over and start pumping on F2. We're going to pump the F2 button over there on the left. Okay, here we go. I'm on power. Now I'm pumping F2. Keep pumping F2. This is going to take us into setup. Okay, I think you can stop now. Okay, I got a quick password here. Let me drop this. Okay, here's the screen you're going to see without my password in the way there. Okay, we're going to scroll over to the right with the right arrow. We're going to use the right arrow down here. We're going to go over to, we're going to move over to exit. Okay? And everything you do over here, wherever you move it here, it's going to read what it does here. Over here on this side. Okay? So anyway, we're going to go to the middle one here. Load, setup, defaults. So we're going to go down 2 with the arrow. We're going to say enter. And then load defaults, we want that. We're going to say enter again. You're going to say yes to that. Okay, I'm going to go down and hit the bottom one here. Save changes. So we're going to go to the arrow down again. Hit the arrows down. And say enter. Save changes. Save configuration changes, yes. I'm going to say enter. And I think that's it. Okay, we're going to go down here and try and get out of here. F10. Save and exit. Okay, go ahead and hit that like button. I'm going to end it here. Go ahead and hit the like button, the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Okay, I'm hitting F10. It should reboot out. And enter. Let me know in comments what you want to see if you have this model. Okay, I'm going to end right here.